What's up, guys? So today I'm going to be making a video, kind of an unboxing video on my 333 Fabrications and Total Chaos Alignment Kit. So 333 makes a really good locking cam bolt for your alignment. So they have this kit you can order. It's about 150 bucks. It comes with all of the locking bolts and then the plates. So that's what I got for plates. And then for tabs, I had the 5-point Marlin crawler kit in there, but I cooked that thing. It's broke. Bent, trash, shit, junk. Needs to come off my truck. So that will be going in the garbage, and I ordered a Total Chaos set of the cam tab gussets. So they're just the weld-on plates that weld right on in place, and it should be simple, quick, clean, thick, 1/4-inch steel, so I shouldn't have any problems. I shouldn't flatten these. Should be good. So yeah, I mean, with all that was pretty much said, I just want to say that I know it's hard to find a nice setup for these trucks for the alignment issue, and I have a 3-inch lift with aftermarket Dirt King UCL lever control arms, so I just wanted to put that out there. I'm sure this probably will work with stock height, stock lift, you know, no lift, just stock height. But I have a 3-inch rough country lift with Bilstein off-road coilovers, 5100s. So my height difference might be, you know, my geometrics are going to be a little different than yours. I have unit ball joints too, and I have more camber and caster, high camber and caster right now. So yeah, but with all that being said, I guess all that's left for us to do is to open these boxes, show you guys what these parts look like. So let's get into it. So fresh out of the 333 box, you get the nice sticker, of course, and then here's your locking plates and your bolts. Heavy duty, wicked solid stuff. These look like they're really good quality. It's gonna be nice. And then fresh out the Total Chaos package, we have obviously the 1/4-inch thick Total Chaos cam tab gussets. Super cool stickers, gotta have them, you already know. And yeah, so that's pretty much the haul for what it's gonna be on my alignment. Now this should fix my problem, I'm hoping, because these are looking a lot nicer than what's on there right now. Let me show you what's on there right now so you can just see how much I need this. So the skid plate's getting done today, but if you take a look over here, I welded that with gas wire on an electric welder. I don't want to talk about it, but it holds. But the kit was this whole piece, and then this plate, which hits on my lower control arm now that I bent it, and this one on the back. So I'm pulling all that, and then the tabs will sit right over top like boo-doo, and then my nice new bolt will go through here. And then I'll be good. Because look at this tire wear, right? Look at the difference. All right, you see this tire? Now come over here. Like, look at that shit. What's the difference? The Donnie difference? Ah, the nicest part of my whole truck. Right here. You, son. All right. Well, boys, girls, that is going to end this unboxing video. Stay tuned for the install video coming soon on my channel. If you're not subscribed, subscribe so you don't miss it. And I'll see you guys later.